Hello, back on Feed the Beast Infinity Involved. Today, we're going to be doing some more immersive engineering. Today, I'm going to make the improved coke oven and the approved blast furnace. So, I'll pick a little spot off here. And if you look at the book, I already made one, but I figured I'd go ahead and remake it because my video I made on it, I got stuttered. And so, I got a bunch of steel I made out of it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just rebuild it if you don't know how to build it. So if you read the book, it'll tell you you need 70 coke oven walls, 60 heated coke oven walls, and 10 coke oven ports. So we'll start with this one first. The sun's going down. That the sun's right on top of us. So we're gonna need these guys right here to start out with, and then the port. So let me see if I can remember. I know it's got one on each end. Should be these ports. That's the wall. There we go. We need a port. So port here. One in the center. And then one on the end. Let's see it. That doesn't seem right. Hold on, let me get this book out again. I guess I don't know the pattern. So it's one, two, three, four, five wide. So I was right, 5 wide. Then we're gonna come down. Every other one. On the sides until 7. And that's 7. So we'll have one more in the middle, one more on the end, we'll have one here, and one here. Okay, then let's do the heated coke oven walls first. So on this side here is going to be 4 high. One more. All right, then we're gonna see. I don't. You know what? That's not right. Let me take that one out. That one's gonna go right here. I'll go around the other end, same thing. Right there. So we're gonna have the coke oven ports, one on each corner, and then one in the middle row up, first row up. So then we're gonna take our coke oven wall, and we're just gonna fill this in. Same thing for over here. Fill in the bottom. Make sure you do the bottom in the lines like that, or it won't work. I guess thought I could reach down that far. I guess not. Damn it. We'll get the, let me finish your thing up. Focus in here, focus. Let's see. Oh, I always make a couple extra just in case something happens. Alright, so I believe that should be right. So now we just need to get the hammer and shift click it. And it's got to be a certain way you hit it for. I think it was on the red. So you just got to keep messing with it and it'll eventually come in. And let me pull the book up. Well, it's good to hear. For each one of them, it is a job. It is a job. Let me run in here and jump in the. Take a nap. I don't know why I keep earning achievements for the same thing, but it's alright. Okay. Uh, it is a job to make these things. You can use refined steel, you can use regular steel ingots, copper. It takes a lot of resources to make them. And you gotta get some lava. And then for the port, same thing. It's just a little bit different than the wall. Just switch around a little bit. That is a lot. It took just about everything I had to make 70, 60, and 10 of them. So that's all done. We'll go ahead and load it up with some coal. So the best thing is thinking hold 4 at one time so you're getting 4 pieces. So next thing, we're going to make the blast furnace. Alright. I thought I had the material. I thought I made the material. I guess I'm going to go make it real quick. Let's go in here. Alright, let's go back. I guess I spent so much time messing with this I forgot to make the improved blast furnace. So we're gonna need some steel. And should have some by now. It's been running for a while. Because I about used everything I had. So we're gonna need 27 of them. Throw it in the. I'm running over the place. Just put him in here. So I'm gonna need 27 of these plates. And then I need. Should be right around here. So I don't go chasing all over the place looking for it. There it is. Reinforced blast furnace. So we're gonna need blaze powder, so we got 22. We're gonna need a couple more. And as a matter of fact, I got some of the bricks right there, so we might not need all that. All right. So we're gonna need some netherrack. I don't think that's what he spelled it. I got 14 bricks. Let's just make up a couple real quick. Open, I have some here. Oh man, look, it changed it. That. I'm losing it, man. I'm losing it. Let's just do this. We don't need a coke part. We need a blast furnace. There we go. So we need to make this. So we're going to need some brick. I think I have. And this right here should do it. I'll throw some more just in case. Need at least 20 of them. Throw that in. Throw that in. I like this little setup. It's pretty cool. It's 10. It's 18. That should be enough right there. Just need to get the plates. Didn't need that many after all. So we need 27, I think. That's what it said. Alright, so throw that in there. Let me get rid of these blast furnace parts. Probably never gonna need them again. Or coke oven parts. Alright. This next one, put this together. You know what I need one more thing. I need a hopper. This won't work without the hopper. One more time in the house, that should be it. Keep going to get ready to go in the wrong door. Let's get one hopper. This to center. Then we're going to shift click and bang it. It's pretty cool looking, ain't it? Alright, so if we go to the blast furnace and look at it, this little guy is a preheater. It's supposed to make it cook a lot faster. Blast furnace preheaters are used to heat up air and then blow it into the furnace to speed up the refinement process of iron. Each furnace can have up to 2 preheaters. Well, at any rate, I think they go, let's see. I think they go right on the ends. I made 2 of them, or 4 of them, but I got, like I said, I already made this, so I'm just going to. I think that goes there. Ooh, that's pretty big. And that one goes right here. And it said 32 RFs to run it. I don't know if I have 32 RFs on this. I got a lot of stuff running, so just gonna slap this guy down right here. Then we'll go into one of these bags. I'm gonna pull out my cable. Let's see. Pull this one out. See if we can get some juice to it. Extract. Always activate it. Let's see, where's the plug in at? I'm not for sure. To the, oh, right there on top. So, I don't have this hooked up with my new one, but I will. Being I missed that. That was one more thing I want to add into the video. So how do we know if that thing's running? Oh, it's got power. It's got 8,000. That's what it says. So let me just insert. Always active. Let's go over this one. You know, this just come around side because all your stuff is then put it in through the front. Alright, and that one says it has this now. So it's not showing anything, but is the fans running or anything? So maybe we get some cold coke out of here. And I made another video on how I automated it. You may have a better way of doing it. So I don't know if these things need a switch. Man, oh, there it is. Let's see what it says. So that definitely is a lot faster. Definitely a lot faster. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hook these up on the one I have inside the house. So we're running there. You seen how fast that was running? And I have a video on this automation I set up. So just click the second video on it. See, I have two of them set up. Conveyor belt stuff. But let's see. And you can see how long it takes. To make one, I'm gonna have to move my system around for this, but it'll be alright. So as you see, yeah, that's a ton of difference. And the fans are working. Heaters are heating up, I guess. And it's going to double its production with that power onto it. So that's the blast furnace and coke oven. The improved coke oven and the improved blast furnace. So thanks for watching.